It's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope that you are all having an amazing day. So as you can see, I have some Born Pretty products, guys, but this is not PR. This is my birthday present. So thank you, Born Pretty, for the $20 gift card that you sent me for my birthday. With that, I added some more coin and I got 2 of these 5-in-1 top coats. This is absolutely amazing product. Don't sleep on this, and I'm going to show you why. And we got some cat eyes, guys. Yes, I got the whole 6. So I just wanted to show you before we go into the video. Currently, Born Pretty have a Black Friday sale going on. 30% off site-wide. So guys, there's the code, but I will leave that code also in the description box. Now this is more than what I can offer you, so I urge you to use this code, because probably when you see the items, you're going to be like, I want some of those. Why not? All right, so we're going to get into this. I'm going to open. Now, the 5-in-1, I had previously used it on my channel. Absolutely loved it. That this time I got 2 more. So here are the gels. So we're going to get them all out the box and not waste your time. Now with all that ASMR out the way, we're going to get into the swatches. So this is a reflective glass cat magnetic gel. And I will leave a link with this collection and also the numbers, because they're going to be 1 to 6. So we'll swatch them in that order. Oh, this is such a stunning color. So I'm going to do them on a clear swatch. And I will do 2 coats so we can really see, you know, all the colors. And then, of course, I will swatch them on a jelly black base, and then we can compare. And it's not that there is a right way or a wrong way in that sort of sense. It just means you get a different effect. Now, I've got this crazy magnet combo on my desk, so that's what we're going to use. So this is the second coat of that color. Just going to use that to push. So I have the jelly black swatch ready. So I'm going in with that first polish. And it's already looking so super beautiful. Okay, let's get the magnets and Okay, I'm going to cure that. Now, I did say I didn't want to do 2 coats, but I'm going to have a look. Maybe I might do 2. So I'm going to do two coats of it and just see. You can really see the 2 colours coming through, right? I can definitely see that. All right, I'm going to cure that. And we're going to go into the second one. Number 2, and give it a little shake. So first of all, we're going to do number 2 on a clear swatch, and it's a beautiful purpley. Oh gosh, this is so beautiful. Now these are also reflective, so it's the Glass reflective magnetic cat eyes. So it's just going to be like all the good stuff. Now even on the clear, I can see the blue coming through that. Yes, you can really see it now. This is with the second coat on the clear. So this is on the jelly black, and this is the one that I've seen like everywhere. Now that's the first coat. We will do oh my gosh. And again, I'm gonna literally just do the same thing. This is with 1 coat. That's different. That really is. Okay, so let's do another coat of this 4th gel. And I can see highlights of like pink. But there is. I know it probably feels like I always say pink, but honestly, I see pink. So beautiful. I do think with some magnetic gels, you don't necessarily need to use black, but that's why it's always good to do the swatches like we do, because then you'll have an idea. This is so beautiful. I just love the shift. This is gorgeous. It's giving just these cat eyes are actually perfect for this time of year. Any art that you do on top of this will actually be stunning. It's just, oh my gosh. But you can see that color peeking out from the bottom. Oh, I love this. I love that. This is the galaxy right here. Oh, wow. I can't even contain myself. I just love the shift. It's like Mars. Oh, wow. Do that. You can literally, you can see it. Oh, I hope you can. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're just gonna stop because I've said that like 50 times. Wow. Now this is the jelly black, right? And I think you can see it, but we'll do 2 coats. I really felt like I wasn't sure if it was the jelly black I could see coming through, or if it was just the beautiful color, because it's got like a dark, you see what I mean, there's like a dark purple. Now this is giving like, it's more of a lighter purple, so I'm really intrigued to see what the shift is going to look like. It's not as dark as the one I previously swatched, but it definitely looks lighter, so we'll see. Let's swatch. I'll do that and just see what's happening. There is a light blue. I'm going to do 2 coats on the clear as well, because I think it's a blue I see. Or it could be like a nice lavender purple that you see coming through. Right. Wow. It's definitely a blue. Oh my goodness. Now I don't have a favorite, and that's why I'm so happy I was able to get the full collection, because it's so hard to choose. For this little demo, I literally, if you look at the back of the nail, you can see that's literally the polish, and then I put an omnipotent cat eye on top, and then I matted that surface. Think about encapsulating, like, you know, glitters and things like that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so my blob went everywhere. It's so easy with this stuff. So again, I'm just going to do that, and I'm going to flash. It's just beautiful, this stuff. Like, honestly, I just love it. I can't say enough. Like, this 5-in-1 top coat from Born Pretty is so pretty. And so here is the swatch. Just want you to see. Like, that top coat is super clear. Wow. So beautiful. I mean, for embossed designs like this, it's absolutely perfect. Look at that. You know, and I don't even have to top coat it because it's already a 5-in-1 top coat. This is the clear, this is the black. Now this is with the flash on, so you can see all that reflective goodness. And if I turn that flash off, you can see how much dimmer it looks. Right. Now I'm just going to see if I turn the lighting down a little bit. And now with the flash back on, that is how it's looking. So stunning. You can really see the reflective. So that is that one. And now for the second one, again, I've got the clear and the jelly black. Look at this stunning colour. Clear and jelly, I think you can see with this one. Now this one was just like a puppy, could not wait. I think I only did one coat on each, so really, really responsive on the clear and on the black swatch. So stunning. Clear and jelly black swatch. Beautiful gold coming through, and that's the pink tones I was talking about. I love this. Oh, and I did top coat the nails, and this is the one. It's giving like that ember effect, and you can actually see just like 3 colors coming through. Oh my gosh, you can see it's like magic. So beautiful. And last but not least, again, we have these two. So beautiful. The way that blue is shifting. Oh, these would be perfect to do the trap sole nails. And I have so many things I want to try with these amazing cat eye gels from Born Pretty. Oh my gosh, this is magic. They should call them cat magic gels. I know it doesn't sound right, but yeah. Oh, but anyway guys, that brings me to the end of the swatches. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really did enjoy the swatching of this collection, and as I said, I will leave a link for it in the description. Again, this is the swatch we did for the 5-in-1 top coat. Absolutely amazing. If you have not tried it, definitely get some. Again guys, I thank you all so much for watching. Please feel free to use and share the discount codes, obviously after the sale, because you can save yourself 30% during the Black Friday sale site-wide. I love you guys. I'm Mama Does Nails. Please catch me in the next one, and I can't wait to come back with a video using these awesome, beautiful gels. Bye everyone.